Hello my crafty friends. I am here to do a video on my TN that I made out of a magazine cover. I know it's been a little while since I've been here. Life happened. I had a little episode with my hands and a flare-up and stuff, and then, you know, the holidays and then after holidays and blah blah. You know, life happens. But I just wanted to give you a little short reason why I was gone for a little bit. And this is a TN style, not the actual size because it's a little bigger than a TN. Made it out of the magazine cover. Added this for durability and this, I don't know, it's ribbon, but I got it off of something. I tried to actually use authentic ephemera in this one because I got a bunch of it from Jennifer and I love it so much, and I actually got to use a bunch of it in here. Not a bunch, but some. And this is the back. I love this one. It's so pretty. Put little corner things on there to stiffen them up a little. Little filigree on here with that flower. I don't remember the name of those kind of flowers, but yeah. Here, let's go inside. Inside, we just have a little flower here that I had laying around. I tried to use, if I didn't use the old authentic ephemera, I tried to use stuff that I already had cut out because I need to use it up instead of having it lay here. And over here, I did sew in some little fabric pockets, and those are some of the old stamps that she gave me. I just stapled them on. They're so cute. And this is a photo that I had in my stash, and an old vintage card. And some vintage little trim right there, which I super love that. And yeah, I just tried to use really old authentic stuff in here for the most part, and I just made some pockets here and there. I love this. I love this ticket. She gave me those tickets too, and I really like those. I just stamped on some burlap or canvas right there. And here is a little envelope pocket. I just tucked that in there because I had it on my table. Some authentic map, and this is a little doily that can be taken off and put throughout the book. And this little tuck spot up here with some little Tim Holtz, and I just sewed that on. Doily, a little music tag, and a bingo pocket. Did some sewing in here. Look at that tea card. That is so cool. She gave me some amazing things. She really did. I don't see how she parted with it. Like, this is one of them. And I just think it's so neat. And I just love it. I just love it. She gave me this little long glassine bag, and I made a little tag for it. Sewed that on. Some music page. Really old music page. Another little pocket with a tag inside. Vintage measuring tape. Couldn't spit it out for a second. Good grief, it's been a while. My first video when I come back is always so blah because I just can't spit my words out. Here's just some old snippets of things that can be used in the book. I think this is piano page. I'm not quite sure, but I think it's piano page. And another tuck spot. And just some ephemera that's been sitting on my desk, waiting to be used. And another one of those old tickets. Oh my goodness, Jennifer, I just love that stuff you sent me. It's so hard for me to use it. And this is out of the magazine. Some Tim Holtz people there. Some old stamps. And a pocket here. She sent me this as well. I just think that's so pretty. Spring is coming. I cannot wait. This was already shaped as a pocket, so I just ripped it across there and sewed it in. Another little... I have so many of these cut out. It's just crazy. So I just started layering some up and sticking them in my books. Because I have a whole, like... This little thing is cram-packed with these. I have to show you. I mean, cram-packed. I don't even know why that's in there, but there's so many in here. I'm about to bag them up and send them with journals because I don't use them enough. So I thought, oh, I'm going to use some of those. And we have this little coin pocket, this little vellum thing there. Bag. There you go. Vellum bag. And I just sewed that onto this really old vintage paper. And here we have a tag my niece gave me. And an old thank you card, which I think is gorgeous. So I stuck that in there. And I sewed her on, and that's really old as well. You can just tell the paper was so different back then, right? And here we have a little bird card, which mockingbird. I thought that's so cute. That'd be cute on the front of it. Then you can't see the back. See, that's my problem. I have a hard time layering because I don't like to cover things up. I'm so weird like that. And an old card or piece of ephemera here. Richler's Drug Company. Crazy, right? You can just stare at that stuff sometimes for a while. The other part of that tea card. Old school paper. And I just sewed these into pockets here, and ephemera can be added. I didn't put anything in there because it's starting to get a little chunky. And here's a little tea card I sewed onto cardstock. And another piece of ephemera. I love this. This is so neat. I really like it. Oh my goodness. If I had my way, I wouldn't use any of that. I'd just keep it all. But then again, my kids would probably say, why are you keeping this stuff? I'd have to say, for the love of paper, children, for the love of paper. Another flower. Get up here in the frame. I just clipped this on. It's really fragile, and I almost clipped it on too far over here. Oh, I didn't want to take it off, though. I got some more stamps in there. So, just got to be careful when you turn the page on that one, because of my silliness. Tuck spot. And another old vintage photo. I have a ton of those, too. And back here, I love this picture. We have a tag I made, and it could go in there, in this little envelope, but I didn't put it in there. And this is super duper old. 1881, I believe it says. Isn't that amazing? So fragile. I almost ripped it more. I was like, oh my goodness. But I love this so much. So hard for me to get rid of it. Stick it in there very gently. And then that in there. And that is my latest journal. And I did comment below my giveaway video on who won the journal and the lace bundle. And I've heard back from the journal, but not from the lady who won the lace journal yet. Or lace bundle. So I'm going to give her a little more time to reply, and if not, then in my next video I will choose another lady out of those comments, and yeah, then hopefully she'll get back to me and she could win the lace bundle. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and hopefully I will get back into the swing of things now the holidays and everything are over. And yeah, I think that's about it. So hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. I do have another one of these journals coming up, so have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.